If you're experiencing the cloud save error 2026 in Valorant, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant service status page to ensure there are no ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. Open the Riot client and navigate to the Valorant section. Use the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Outdated drivers can sometimes lead to compatibility issues. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can help fix any underlying issues with the installation that might be causing the cloud save error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error 2026 in Valorant. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.